Hello, word. I'm Alex, and welcome back to your daily dose of English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a perfectly wonderful word, cat. This is an A1 level noun, and it means a small domesticated feline animal. Now, cat is a word we hear and use all the time. Think about those cute, furry creatures that often grace our homes and neighborhoods. That's a cat. Let's explore how we use this word in everyday language. We might say, I have a cat named Whiskers, or that cat is sleeping in the sun. Simple, right? Now, let's look at some synonyms. While there aren't direct synonyms that perfectly replace cat, we can use related terms depending on the context. For instance, we might refer to a cat as a feline. For example, the veterinarian specializes in feline health. Or if we're being a bit more informal, especially with kittens, we might use the word kitty. Look at that adorable kitty, playing with the yarn. See how these words are related but not exact replacements? Okay, let's think about antonyms. An antonym of cat is tricky because it represents a specific animal. But if we're thinking about pets in general, we could say an antonym is dog. Dog is another common domesticated animal, but of a different species entirely. I prefer dogs to cats, but both make wonderful companions. Or another option might be mouse, because cats often hunt mice. The cat is chasing the mouse. The relationship between a cat and a mouse is essentially the opposite of friendship. Usage in everyday life. You'll hear cat used in countless situations. You might hear someone say, "Are you a cat person or a dog person?" This is a common way to ask about someone's pet preference. You might also hear phrases like the cat's pajamas, which is an old-fashioned expression meaning something is stylish or great. Or, let the cat out of the bag, which means to reveal a secret. These expressions show how deeply embedded the word cat is in the English language. Usage examples in sentences and phrases. The cat purred contentedly on my lap. She's allergic to cats. That cat has beautiful green eyes. The black cat walked across the street. My neighbor owns 3 cats. We need to buy cat food. Be careful. That cat scratches. The cat is up a tree. Did you see the stray cat? Cats are very independent animals. And that brings us to the end of today's Hello Word episode. We learned that cat, a basic A1 level noun, means a small domesticated feline animal. We explored related terms like feline and kitty, and contrasting terms like dog and mouse. We also looked at how cat is used in everyday language and common expressions. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, so we can all learn together. And now, for your homework, create your own sentence using the word cat and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them.